So today I'm going to show you some subtitle shortcuts. The first one is to turn the subtitles on, so that would be C.
If you want to see the pathway, you just press Command
And to toggle them off, it would also be C. If you had different subtitles, like in another language, it would be B. If you wanted to change the text opacity, you would use O, so I'll show you that right now.
it shows you the path to get to that folder, but you can just go directly there.
And then if you wanted to change the opacity of the window background, you would use W.
Another thing it can do is a calculator or
And then if you want to increase the subtitle size or decrease, you would use the plus or the minus sign.
currency conversion. So let's say 100 USD to pesos.
And that's it.